By using a Scalable Cities Action Grant, SELIWCom was able to design a renewable energy community in the small municipality of Caltagirone in southern Italy. The project integrated multiple REC dimensions, including environmental, welfare and financial, all supported by a digital platform. Residents of Caltagirone struggle with high electricity costs, pushing some families into energy poverty. The area is also home to energy-intensive small businesses, such as ceramists, and citizen engagement in tackling social and economic challenges remains low. While shared energy usage is limited to about 50%, and financial constraints have hindered the implementation of a sustainable energy and climate action plan, public and private entities, including local administration, citizens, organizations, and commercial activities, collaborated to transition to a decentralized model of renewable electricity production and consumption, focused on resource sharing and inclusiveness. The project began with a context analysis involving stakeholders from each sector to gauge interest in participating in the REC and assess their knowledge of the SECAP. A technical and economic feasibility analysis followed, evaluating 2 REC configurations. The analysis focused on operational requirements, identifying suitable areas, and estimating productivity, power capacity, and CO2 savings. As a result, 8 surfaces were evaluated for PV panel installation, and 4 were selected, 2 for each REC. To ensure project continuity and create a local occupational impact, the Photovoltaic Social Academy was established to train vulnerable young people for jobs in the green sector. A Social Enterprise Photovoltaic Network was also created to encourage investment by social cooperatives in green energy, and an online platform was launched to facilitate stakeholder engagement. The Sharing Cities Milan project provided mentorship through training sessions and knowledge exchanges for local community leaders, while study visits to Biella and Milan further enriched the team's understanding by showcasing different REC models. Through the Scalable Cities Action Grant, SELIWCom conducted essential economic and financial feasibility analyses to set up 2 renewable energy communities.